Bibliometrics is statistical analysis of written publications, such as books or articles. Bibliometric methods are frequently used in the field of library and information science, including scientometrics. For instance, bibliometrics are used to provide quantitative analysis of academic literature or for evaluating budgetary spending. Citation analysis is a commonly used bibliometric method which is based on constructing the citation graph, a network or graph representation of the citations between documents. Many research fields use bibliometric methods to explore the impact of the field, the impact of a set of researchers, or the impact of a particular paper. Bibliometrics also has a wide range of other applications, such as in descriptive linguistics, the development of thesauri, and evaluation of reader usage. Historically, bibliometric methods have been used to trace relationships amongst academic journal citations. Citation analysis, which involves examining an item's referring documents, is used in searching for materials and analyzing the merit. Citation indices, such as Institute for Scientific Information's Web of Science, allow users to search forward in time from a known article to more recent publications which cite the known item. Data from citation indexes can be analyzed to determine the popularity and impact of specific articles, authors, and publications. Using citation analysis to gauge the importance of one's work, for example, is a significant part of the tenure review process. Information scientists also use citation analysis to quantitatively assess the core journal titles and watershed publications in particular disciplines. Interrelationships between authors from different institutions and schools of thought, and related data about the sociology of academia. Some more pragmatic applications of this information includes the planning of retrospective bibliographies, giving some indication both of the age of material used in a discipline, and of the extent to which more recent publications supersede the older ones, indicating through high frequency of citation which documents should be archived. Comparing the coverage of secondary services, which can help publishers gauge their achievements and competition, and can aid librarians in evaluating the effectiveness of their stock. There are also some limitations to the value of citation data. They are often incomplete or biased. Data has been largely collected by hand, though citation indexes can also be used. Incorrect citing of sources occurs continually. Thus, further investigation is required to truly understand the rationale behind citing to allow it to be confidently applied. Bibliometrics are now used in quantitative research assessment exercises of academic output, which is starting to threaten practice-based research. The UK government has considered using bibliometrics as a possible auxiliary tool in its research excellence framework, a process which will assess the quality of the research output of UK universities and, on the basis of the assessment results, allocate research funding. This has met with significant skepticism and, after a pilot study, looks unlikely to replace the current peer review process. Other bibliometrics applications include creating thesauri, measuring term frequencies as metrics in scientometric analysis, exploring grammatical and syntactical structures of texts, measuring usage by readers, quantifying value of online media of communication. History. The term bibliometrics was coined by Alan Pritchard in a paper published in 1969, titled Statistical Bibliography a Bibliometrics. He defined the term as the application of mathematics and statistical methods to books and other media of communication. Citation analysis has a long history. The Science Citation Index began publication in 1961, and Derek J. Price discussed the citation graph describing the network of citations in his 1965 article, Networks of Scientific Papers. However, this was done initially manually until large-scale electronic databases and associated computer algorithms were able to cope with the vast numbers of documents in most bibliometric collections. The first such algorithm for automated citation extraction and indexing was by Citation. Google's PageRank is based on the principle of citation analysis. Patent citation maps are also based upon citation analysis.